Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you step-by-step guide on how to cancel hotel bookings. You can cancel directly from the website or through your confirmation email. For this tutorial, I will use confirmation email because it's usually the fastest and the easier option. So firstly, head over to your email inbox. Then open the confirmation email that was sent to you. Locate manage booking and click on it. Then it will take you directly to the website. By the left hand side, you will see cancel booking. Go ahead and click cancel booking. Select your reason for cancelling, then click continue. Carefully review the cancellation policy and if there is any fee to be paid. If you are okay with the policy, go ahead and click cancel booking. You will get a notification that your stay is cancelled. You will also receive a cancellation email. This is how fast and easy it is to cancel your hotel bookings. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment for more step-by-step videos like this.